me?
I just asked you in your driveway.
28, 29.
I got you this.
How beautiful. The flower, not you.
I'll see you tonight.
25. Okay, bye. Good boy.
Dead flower? He's a keeper.
A heat breath. Isn't that weird?
Yeah, but it happened to you, so I don't care.
Emergency family meeting!
Everyone in the living room now. I want to know what a plant feels like.
Terrible.
Oh, no.
It's a comet that messes with the Earth's magnetic field and causes our superpowers to go wonky.
Living our lives with a speed riding that you never guess. We're living our lives just like poetry. The closer you must be, the crazier this is a make reality. Just your average baby, don't
Why do I have cushion?
Never know when your super speed might do that.
There it is. The Achilles comes to Earth, we can track it.
Is that a new remote?
You can program it to run the DVD player. How red and spongy the buttons are.
Hey, comets speeding past Earth doing weird things to our powers.
And this is my powers. Sure. All right.
Are you sure? Because we kind of have our dream family.
Max said something about his dream family.
Last.
We have to wait for the comet to pass the Earth. That's 10 hours.
Hours? Under control at the dance tonight.
Night? I don't think so, sweet.
Hey, he did? You're gonna wear?
Pajamas, because you're not leaving this house.
But you two have to stay near each other. The last time this happened, we realized if we kept your cribs within 3 feet, your powers didn't go off.